Oh, there's a second one.
Yeah, I'm going to leave them with you.
It's cool, eh?
Ah, really rad. Also just waiting for the things to heat up a little bit. As soon as things heat up, you start getting those thermals, and they use that as lift. Yeah, just to stay up on the air currents to search for. These guys are normally the first on carcasses before vultures and that. So they're also looking for dead animals, or possibilities of kills and things like that. And they hunt themselves, or they hunt for prey themselves. There's a beautiful bird. Did you zoom in on his face there?
Yeah, but close up.
Ah, that's cool. It's like not even a breath of wind out here. Oops, shark.
You don't see those every day.
Yeah, it's very, very nice.
Nice.
Sure. See the colour difference? Absolutely no colour in the youngster or the juvenile. What's on the road here? Oh, kudu. And then your adult female, it's got that red face, the white just almost at the wingtips. I can hear another one. Oh, that's a youngster. African short-tailed eagle, eh?
Yeah.
AKA Bateleur. I think that translates to I want food.
It's about the sun's not up.
Yeah, because then you can really get the colours. So now you guys can see that IDing raptors can be very, very difficult when you're looking at the different age groups. You know, you've got an adult which looks completely different to a juvenile and vice versa. So I mean, if you just saw the juvenile by himself, you could easily mistake it for another eagle. Very, very tough to see.
Comes the sun.